Hello, and welcome to another word of the day. As always, if you enjoy learning new words, then don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Without further ado, let's get into it. Today's word is ambient. In technical use, ambient describes things such as air quality, light, in a room that exists or presents on all sides. Ambient is also used to describe electronic music that is quite quiet and relaxing, with melodies that repeat many times. Today's word has one example, which is the chemicals must be kept at an ambient temperature of 70 degrees. In a quote by Yasena Fuse of Curbed on August 11th, 2023 states, "Many New Yorkers reveal in the city's ambient rumble the thump of a bass echoing between buildings, the slap of domino tiles on a card table, the growling of off-road bikes rushing down the block." Did you know? Biologists explore the effects of ambient lights on plants. Acoustics experts try to control ambient sound, and meteorologists monitored the temperature of ambient air. All this can make ambient seem like a technical term, but when it first saw light of day, all that encompassing adjective, which is today's word's tense, that is was likely to be used in poetry as in science when Alexander Pope wrote of a mountain whose towering summit ambient clouds concealed. Both poets and scientists use ambient today to describe things that surround, that is, exist on all sides of someone or something. And by all, we mean all. One would not like to describe someone sitting in the middle of their lawn as being amid ambient grass, for example. Ambient, which comes from the Latin verb ombre, meaning to surround, encircle, or embrace, most often describes things such as noise or humidity that are all around someone from top to bottom. Now, it could be an adjective or a verb, depending on how you use it. And as always, if you enjoy learning new words, then don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. I'll see you in the next one.